I have made a profit of £1,150 from the previous two cars, which is $1,466. After selling on these prices is going to be £1,650, which is $2,103. And I'm also gonna prove that this is the best and easiest side hustle that anyone can do and make some extra few $100s every month. And for those who are new to my channel, I'm Ali Haider. I'm 25 years old entrepreneur with 7 years of experience in business, and in this channel I mostly talk about making money and help others to make money as well. So let's get back to the video now. So this is the first car I bought, Nissan Micra, and after one day I bought Citroen C1, and there's a link up here. Click that. In that video I have explained how I have bought these cars and for how much money. But in this video I'm gonna reveal the exact selling prices for those cars, and you know what, I've already bought 2 more cars. And there's a thing that profit on which you are selling your product is not always what you want it to be, because sometimes the profit goes low, but in my case it went up. Remember in the first video I've told you guys that Nissan Micra need £100 of work to be done before I'm gonna sell it, and after that the total profit would be £350. Then guess what, I've sold that car without doing that £100 of work. And don't worry, I've already told the buyer that these are the works that need to be done, but still he bought the car for £800, and now the cost of £100 is profit, and that is £450. And the other car, Citroen C1, I want that car to sell on the price £1,450, but that car sold on £1,400, and I'm not worried at all because £100 goes up from Nissan Micra and just £50 went down from this car. I have the profit of total £700, the double of the amount on which I have bought this car, means 700 is the cost of this car. And so far I have made a profit of £1,150 from the previous 2 cars, which is $1,466 with a total investment of $1,338. Not bad, huh? I've doubled the money I've invested in. So what next? The greed of money does not stop. And I bought 2 more cars. In the last video I have showed you the cars just in pictures, so I thought why not make a video of the cars I have now. The reason I'm showing you the video because I don't want you guys to think that I'm just bluffing by showing you the pictures. They are right in front of my door, so here they are. This one is Yaris and this one is Peugeot 107. So just like in the previous video, I am also gonna reveal the purchasing price for these 2 cars. So here it is. I got this car for just £650. By the way, to get this car I have to travel almost 4 hours because the place is too far away from my home. But you have to do what you need to do in order to make money. And thank God the car was okay, because if it wasn't, the 4 hours are gonna be the total waste. And this one, Yaris, it is not that far away, and I got this one for just £950. You know, Citroen C1, in the previous video I had already gotten the offer for that car before making the video. So in this video I have an offer for Peugeot 107, and coincidentally the offer is same, it's £1,200, but just like before I refused it. And you know why I've refused these offers? Because whenever I purchase something with the goal of reselling them, I set the selling price of that product in my mind after my market research. Initially what I do, I try to sell it for the price I've set it in my mind, but if I got an offer near that price, around 10 to 15%, I sell it. I have listed Peugeot 107 for £1,450 and Yaris for £1,800. The total profit after selling on these prices is going to be £1,650, which is $2,103. I'll make another video after selling these 2 cars and will let you know. Don't worry that if I have made the profit I'm thinking or it's less. And remember one thing, every business comes with its own advantages and disadvantages. For example, if you are selling cars, you have to be very aware and careful when you're buying the car. For example, you have to check the car history if it's stolen or not, and if you're in UK, there is a service called HPI. You need to do that before purchasing the car, because what if the car is stolen? You'll get into the legal issues, which you don't want to be if you're just starting out. And check if the engine is working properly or not after taking a spin. And the third thing is, don't make a deal with a person who don't have the V5 slip. That is how you'll transfer that car into your name and register the vehicle tax for that car. And to buy the cars which are cheap and good, you need to constantly checking the platform, for example Facebook Marketplace, to find the best cars, because you are not the only one there to make a good profit on these. So whenever you get the chance, don't waste your time scrolling TikToks and Reels. Rather than just look for the opportunities to make money. And when you find the car, just leave the seller a message and do what you are supposed to do after that, because this way, even if you forget this car, when the seller replies, you'll get remembered. So what I do, the first thing in the morning when I wake up, I spend 15 to 20 minutes on Facebook Marketplace, and if I find the car, I just text the seller and done. And whenever the seller replies, if I made a good deal, I'll just go straight away and buy the car. It's this simple, because in this era, you will get rich and make more money if you create more content rather than just watching them. I try to do these side hustles because I want you guys to know that it is only you and you who is stopping you from starting your first business. And obviously, I am also making money from them. And if you're watching my videos previously, you'll know that I also started a Etsy challenge from $0 to 100k in just 1 year. Here is the link, just click that and watch that video as well. It's been, I think, 2 months since I have started that and put a lot of effort and my time in that, but still no luck of any sale. So rather than just quitting, I am trying to learn more things on, for example, I am learning about SEO, more good ways to post my listings in order to get a sale, and I will not stop until I get it. And for that, I'll make another part as soon as I'll get a sale to let you guys know that how long you have to think in your mind to get a sale on Etsy. So stay tuned for that as well. So this is it from this video, and thanks to you, I am making more money now. I hope that after watching these videos, you guys will also do something and make money. If you find this video useful for you, kindly like this video and comment below if you have any kind of question related to the business. Follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. The username is same, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.